What's up, guys? AK here. Few tips to keep your grass in the perfect shape. So we moved to this house 2005. For a year, it was previous owner order like service. The guy riding on stand mower, and it's like heavy, and it's messed up all the grass. So asked my man, sorry. So I got nice Honda mower and start using it, and it's still kicking from 2006. Changing oil, changing sparks, maybe 3 years, 4 years in the filter, cutting, sharpening blades. That's it. So tip number one, you can mow it. This is like 4 days before. I just show you how it's getting a little bit crazy and very intensive, especially this year. And we in Ohio, south of Ohio, Cincinnati. uh, you better like do it. That's me, couple of times more than waiting till it will be huge, and you spend more gas and more time just like going a little bit not wide that roads. And then you can apply just regular whatever seed, I'm sorry, the thing preventing weeds, and like fertilizer. Very important to actually clean the wheels just with a hose, because all that stuff, if it's applying in the morning, wet grass, it will be wet anyway. All that thing will be stuck inside, and then it has a layer of it, very hard to get rid of it. Okay, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, subscribing to the channel, and have a good one. Bye bye.